Alright, what's good guys? So, man, a lot has been done the last week. I ended up getting sick, so this put a pause on the build, man. But right now it's slowing on my ground controls, my old ones. These shits are blown though. We did pick up some ARP head studs, everything, all that good stuff. So, this is the old LS block. Today, hopefully I have time to remove all of this stuff. Basically, strip everything and put all my GSR parts in here. But I'm not gonna be putting my GSR parts in here today because I wanna get this block cleaned out and everything measured correctly. I plan on making more videos. It's just a lot of delays and stuff, especially with the weather and everybody getting sick, man. It's kind of hard. But yeah, catch you guys when we're doing the work. Let's get to it.
Yo, what's good guys? So we took apart the LS block, we stripped out the crank, and we stripped out the pistons, all the good stuff. I took out the crank off camera just because I wanted to get out of the way, and it was nighttime, cold, rainy, all that. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode, hopefully soon. Alright then, if you're not subscribed, subscribe right the fuck now. Alright then, I'm out.